Well, post the stellar performance by ACC, all eyes will be on Ultratech as the company is all set to declare its results. This time around, the volumes are expected to jump almost 50% on a year-on-year basis as far as, when you're talking about the entire cement industry is concerned. Total volumes in India itself are expected to increase by close to 50%. Sequential softness is seen mainly due to the back of the fact that volume dispatches for the month of April and May were very muted due to the lockdowns that were imposed due to the spread of the pandemic wave 2. Now, demand recovery in June was led by infra as well as rural housing, and this will be something to keep an eye out for very closely. Nomura expects the sales volume for Ultratech in this quarter to be close to 19.4 million tons, down almost 27% on a sequential basis. When it comes to the core earnings, revenues are seen higher by close to 50%, coming in close to the 11,450 crore mark. When you're talking about the core EBITDA, seen close to 2,875 crore mark, up almost 40%. When you're talking about the margins, seen moderating softly year on year due to higher input costs like coal and petcoke prices that have spiked up significantly. However, there are expectations that, especially after the results of ACC, that the industry has seen pricing discipline. Most of the companies have maintained strong pricing, have marginally increased prices, and pricing increases have actually sustained. So higher realization trends should ideally offset the cost inflation that most of the commodity companies are passing by. Profitability is seen higher by 81% off a much lower base of last year. When you're talking about the sequential trends, volumes expected to be lower, but realization is expected to be higher. Focus will be on the pricing trends, demand commentary, and specific cost trends. What are the key factors to watch out for? Any potential surprises as far as pricing is concerned, management commentary as far as demand is concerned overall, pricing, what is it that the company is saying in terms of maintaining pricing, increasing pricing, what is the company saying in terms of cost inflation. Remember, coal and petcoke prices have been on an upswing and clearly will be hurting a lot of the cement and other commodity players. Diesel, petcoke prices too have gone up significantly. Commentary as far as capacity expansion is concerned is also very important from Ultratech's standpoint. Now remember, when you are looking at the entire cement industry, a whole host of brokerages post the results of ACC have shown that there can be significant earnings upgrades coming in if companies continue to maintain a strong pricing power. Remember, strong pricing power ensures higher realization. Capacity utilization trends have been trending higher for the industry, and strong realization would ensure that any cost inflation would be offset with higher margins. Now, it will be interesting to see whether Ultratech Cement manages to continue to outgrow its peers as it has done in the past, given the fact that both ACC and Nomura are at its heels and doing quite well for themselves.